What do you know about the usage of present continuous tense? Here are all major uses of present continuous tense. 1. Actions happening right now. Actions taking place at the moment of speaking. Examples: I am writing a letter. She is cooking dinner. 2. Temporary actions. Activities happening for a limited period. Examples: I am staying with my uncle this week. They are living in a rented house. 3. Changing and developing situations. Things that are gradually changing. Examples: the weather is getting warmer. Prices are increasing. 4. Future arrangements. Planned future events with a fixed arrangement. Examples: she is flying to Dubai on Friday. They are visiting us tonight. 5. Trends and current situations. Things happening around the present period. Examples: more people are using electric vehicles. Students are learning online. More people are working remotely. 6. Repeated actions with always, used to show annoyance, criticism, or repeated behavior. Examples: he is always losing his keys. You are always interrupting me. 7. Background actions in stories, to make narration vivid and immediate. Examples: a man is walking through the forest. The wind is blowing strongly. 8. Actions around the present time, not necessarily happening exactly now. Examples: she is learning English. We are watching a new series. 9. Ongoing projects. Long activities still in progress. Examples: the government is building a motorway. Researchers are studying climate change. 10. Describing changing emotions or conditions. Examples: she is becoming more confident. He is getting stronger. 11. Polite inquiries, used to ask politely about someone's plans. Examples: are you staying for dinner? Are you coming with us? 12. Arrangements between people, specific plans involving others. Examples: I am having lunch with my friend tomorrow. They are playing cricket on Sunday. 13. Continuous changes with more and more. Examples: the city is becoming more crowded. People are getting busier. Life is becoming expensive. 14. Current social, economic, or global changes. Examples: climate patterns are changing. Cities are expanding rapidly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.